Welcome to RealBooks. Got multiple items to be created in RealBooks? Save your time with our Excel upload feature in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Download the Excel import template. Step 2. Prepare the data in the prescribed format. Step 3. Upload the files. And it is done. Let's understand the process with an example. But first, download the template. Go to Transactions, Import/Export, Import. Select Item Master and click on Download Template. Once you open the Excel file, you see multiple sheets in the workbook. Each sheet has its own significance, and all of them are interconnected with each other. To start with, you need to fill in the data in the first sheet, which is the item group sheet. Enter the serial number, item group name, and parent group name. In last column, which is effect in stock, enter Y. If you want to this item group effect in stock, if not, just enter N. Moving to the next sheet, item. This captures all the item details you wanted to create on RealBooks. Learn what to enter under every column. Read this help and instruction sheet. Same way other sheets are to be filled. Each sheet has some instructions too. Once done, the Excel is to be uploaded. Click on Choose File, select the file, and click on Upload. Once the file gets uploaded, you will be redirected to the import listing page. The upload status can be checked from there. On successful uploading, the status will be shown as success. You can view the uploaded item master from View option in every inventory master menu. Feel free to contact us in case you have any queries. Thanks for watching.